And as with any petrol engine, the three main things are fuel, air, and electric. So in this case, when I did actually start the motor or tried to start it up, nothing happened. So I ended up stripping it down, taking the carburetor apart, and the actual float chamber was full of water from hanging on the back of the boat for the last 6 months or so. So that's the thing to do. Take the carburetor apart, clean it all out, clean the jets, put it all back together, and guess what? It fired up, and it's all ready for those coves and little bays in Greece. So there's the carburetor. That came apart. You've got to make sure that the fuel is on. You've got to make sure that you've got the clip-on in place. And with all that, it should work.